1958. This was the year when Dan and Frank Carney, two brothers with no pizza-making experience, embarked on a bold journey. Armed with borrowed money from their mother and a vision, they opened the first Pizza Hut. Imagine, with just $600 and a used oven, their path to success was uncertain. How did these brothers overcome the odds and turn a lack of experience into a pizza empire? Dan and Frank were no strangers to the business world, having grown up in a family deeply rooted in the grocery store industry. Their parents owned a grocery store, setting the foundation for the brothers' early exposure to entrepreneurship. However, rather than following the conventional path of taking over the family business, Dan and Frank decided to venture beyond the familiar. In a pivotal moment, the brothers recognized an emerging opportunity, the East Coast's increasing trend of a lesser-known delight, pizza. Despite having no prior experience in the pizza realm, this East Coast sensation ignited their entrepreneurial spirit. With ambition and uncertainty, Dan and Frank decided to shift from the grocery store setting to a new frontier. To turn this dream into reality, the brothers faced a financial hurdle. In 1958, they boldly approached their mother, seeking a loan of $600 to kickstart their Pizza Hut venture. This borrowed capital would become the seed money for what would eventually evolve into a global pizza giant. But did you know that the name Pizza Hut almost didn't make it to the sign? Faced with the challenge of fitting a memorable title onto their sign, Dan and Frank grappled with the limitation of only 8 letters. It was a puzzle they had to solve before they could even open their doors. Adding to the challenge, the brothers faced a dilemma just weeks before the grand opening. They had never made a pizza in their lives. The clock was ticking, and the success of their venture hung in the balance. In a stroke of practical genius, they decided to call in reinforcements. A friend who knew the art of pizza making became their last-minute savior, teaching crucial skills and recipes to the eager brothers. Yet, their hurdles didn't end there. In a twist of fate, an unexpected fire incident occurred just before the grand opening. The used oven they had purchased from an Italian restaurant went up in flames, filling their yet-to-be-opened pizzeria with smoke and ashes. This unforeseen setback forced Dan and Frank to postpone the opening, repaint the walls, and scramble to salvage their dream. So, what happened next? Following a chaotic start, Pizza Hut experienced a significant turnaround. Their initial success spurred the opening of a second location, laying the groundwork for what would become a meteoric rise. Within the first year of their pizza venture, Dan and Frank expanded their empire, establishing a total of 6 Pizza Hut restaurants. Not content with regional triumphs, the brothers decided to take Pizza Hut to new heights. The pivotal move came in the form of venturing into franchising, a strategic decision that shaped the future of the pizza giant. Topeka, Kansas, became the site of Pizza Hut's inaugural franchise, marking a critical milestone in the company's evolution. Emboldened by their domestic success, Pizza Hut set its sights on international horizons. In 1968, the first international Pizza Hut opened its doors in Canada. This groundbreaking move signaled Pizza Hut's global ambitions and solidified its status as a growing force in the pizza industry. Now, have you ever wondered how Pizza Hut became instantly recognizable with its iconic red roof logo? The story behind this transformation is as intriguing as the pizza itself. Facing the need to stand out in a crowded market, Dan and Frank Carney turned to an architect friend for a solution. However, the challenge was real. Budget constraints threatened to dash their hopes of creating a distinctive Pizza Hut identity. Undeterred, the brothers came up with a clever proposition. Strapped by financial limits, they offered the architect a deal: $100 for every restaurant built using his new design. This unique arrangement catalyzed the birth of the iconic Pizza Hut red roof, forever etching the brand into the pizza history. The architectural ingenuity didn't just stop there. It became the very emblem of Pizza Hut's success. The red roof logo, a worldwide recognition symbol, was born out of necessity, creativity, and a savvy business deal. And now, many people are asking, how did Pizza Hut, once a modest venture, become a global pizza giant? Well, the expansion story is nothing short of remarkable. After conquering the American pizza scene, Pizza Hut set its sights on international dominance, venturing into Mexico, Germany, and Australia. The decision to go global was a strategic move that propelled Pizza Hut to new heights. In a milestone achievement, Pizza Hut celebrated the opening of its 500th restaurant, marking a significant moment in its journey. The numerical milestone wasn't just symbolic, but a testament to the brand's rapid growth and unwavering popularity. However, the tale took an unexpected turn in 1977 when Pepsico recognized the potential of Pizza Hut and acquired the company for a whopping $300 million. This acquisition not only injected substantial capital, but also positioned Pizza Hut under the umbrella of a corporate powerhouse. Amidst the corporate shift, Frank Carney, one of the original founders, introduced a game-changing recipe, the original pan pizza. With its crisp exterior and soft interior, this signature creation became synonymous with Pizza Hut's identity. Now, have you ever heard how Pizza Hut faced fierce competition and not only survived but thrived in the ever-changing pizza scene? As the pizza world became crowded with emerging competitors, Pizza Hut decided to bring in a heavyweight, hiring a new head of marketing to ensure they stayed ahead. Recognizing the need for constant innovation, Pizza Hut introduced a new menu item every 6-8 weeks. This relentless pursuit of culinary creativity set Pizza Hut apart, transforming its menu into a dynamic showcase of pizza ingenuity. One of these innovations stood out as a game changer, introducing stuffed crust pizza. But the genius behind this move wasn't merely in the creation, it was rooted in customer insights. Pizza Hut discovered, through customer surveys, that many people didn't eat the crust. This revelation sparked the birth of the stuffed crust pizza, a culinary marvel that would reshape pizza eating habits. The impact was nothing short of phenomenal. The stuffed crust pizza, with its irresistible blend of cheese within the crust, became exceptionally popular. The trial run of this delectable creation sold out in a mere 4 weeks, underscoring its immediate success. Within a year, the stuffed crust pizza alone contributed over $300 million in sales. This wasn't just a pizza topping, but a financial topping on Pizza Hut's success. So, where is Pizza Hut now? Well, Pizza Hut has expanded to 12,000 locations in 86 countries. Pizza Hut didn't settle for the ordinary as they conquered new territories. Instead, they continued to push culinary boundaries, introducing unique menu items that became instant classics. Who could forget the hot dog stuffed pizza, a bold creation that showcased Pizza Hut's commitment to culinary innovation? The evolution of Pizza Hut over the decades is a testament to its adaptability and enduring appeal. From the early struggles of two brothers, Dan and Frank Carney, who borrowed $600 from their mother to start a pizza business, to becoming a global pizza giant, Pizza Hut's journey has been marked by resilience, creativity, and an unwavering commitment to delivering delicious pizzas. One of the pivotal moments in this evolution was Frank Carney's creation of the original pan pizza, which became Pizza Hut's signature item. This crispy on the outside, soft on the inside masterpiece won the hearts of pizza enthusiasts and solidified Pizza Hut's position as an industry leader. So, what do you think is the next chapter in the story of Pizza Hut?